the first thing you want to do is sign up for a 4Shared account. So just go to the website 4shared.com, 4shared.com. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, you can select the file from your computer and upload the file from your computer. You would then take me to my account, and you would see something like this. This is the dashboard of all the files that are on your 4Shared account, all your media files. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select this file, Sleepaway. I'm just going to click on it. And what's going to happen is another window opens up where the actual file can be found online. And you can see that this is the media file, and there's a big embed button right on top of it. You can click this embed button, click the code, and copy the code from this embed code. Now I'm going to go back to my site control, go to publishing, click my site, click new web document, and I'm going to title this document Media Test Document. Click Save. I want to expand it to the full width of the page. Expand the full width of the page and click Save. Go back to Contents, and what we're going to do is I'm just going to place in here a table that has 2 rows and 2 columns. I don't know if you can see it clearly on the video, but as you can see, there's 2 rows and 2 columns. On the top one, I'm going to write something like Parshat Devarim. Basically, this week's Torah portion. I'm going to center the text, and I'm going to change the style of the text to something a little thicker. Maybe I'll change the font to Tahoma. Maybe I'll set a background color to this cell. I can set a background color by clicking anywhere in the cell, then right-clicking on my mouse, going to Cell, Cell Properties, Borders and Shading, click a background color, and let's set the background color to maybe this dark red color, and click OK. And then I want the text to be white, so I'm going to select the text and go to here and go to white. So now I have white text on a red background. Now we need to embed the video. Actually, let's do the other one here as well. Parsha 2. Let's say Parsha 2. And let's do the same thing as well. I want it to be this style. Tahoma. I want the color to be white. And I'm going to center it using the center option. I'm going to right click in the box, go to Cell, Cell Properties, click Borders and Shading, select the background color to be red, and click OK. Now I want to paste in my videos, so it should be right underneath it. Let's go back up over here and press Enter. I'm just going to give it a little more space. And as you can see, what happens automatically is that this thing pops to the middle. We can choose whether we want it to be in the middle or whether we want it to be on the top. A simple way to do this is by actually clicking in the cell, going to Cell, Cell Properties, and selecting the vertical alignment to be set to the top. And click OK. As you can see, the vertical alignment is now on the top. And see, this is already on the top. We can go to Cell Properties, and we can choose the vertical alignment to be top, middle, bottom. If we want it to be in the middle, we'll leave it to the top right now. Okay, so we want to put the video in the bottom cell now of this table. We have to embed the video using the embed code given by 4Shared. This embed code is a bunch of random code, so if we click HTML on the bottom, you see the HTML tab on the bottom, we don't really know where to put in the code. So I'm going to put in, as a reference point, I'm going to put in the bottom cell over here, A, and B. Now when I go to the HTML, if I want to know where to put in the code, I'm just going to look for the A, and there it is, right here. So I'm going to click on this code, I'm going to delete it, and I want to paste right in here the embed code given to me by 4Shared. There we go, I pasted the embed code. And the same I'll do for B. Let's paste the embed code in here. Now we have two videos over here. Two audio files. Let me click Save, and I'm going to view this in the browser so I can see what's going on and what we did over here. And as you can see, we put these two videos, two media files to play. It's a little bit big, so we want to make it a little smaller. So I'm going to go back into my file. You see what's going on over here. I'm going to go back into my file. I'm going to go back into the HTML, and I'm going to find this embed file I put in for shared. And if I look through the code over here, I'll see embed. Okay. I'm going to see a height of 250. I want the height to be 20. And the width, I want the width to be 300. And the same, I'm going to do the same for both videos, so that way they can be a little less tall and a little narrower. I'm going to click back on design, and as you can see, they're now a lot smaller. I'm going to click Save. Let me go back over here and refresh. And there we go. It looks a lot cleaner and it looks a lot neater. Let me click to center. I want to center these videos. And I can add more videos the same way by just clicking inside the table. You know, I can click the bottom and click row, insert row after, and I can continue with this way over here and continue going further down. You know, insert another row on the bottom and put in video 3 over here and put in video 4 over here. There are many other options. You can insert images if you'd like. Let me just show you. Let me just insert an image here. Click Save. Refresh the page. And you now see it looks neat, and all you have these audio players here that are playing wonderful music. And this is a really easy way to set up a media page. Good luck.